The moment raw broccoli hits a boiling pot or a roasting pan, you are destroying its most powerful cancer-fighting enzyme before it even reaches your plate. Within 60 seconds of extreme heat, broccoli is no longer a biological superfood. You are just eating wet, empty fiber. Plants cannot run from predators. Instead, they try to protect themselves using advanced, powerful chemistry. When we eat these plants, this chemistry benefits us. Inside the raw broccoli, a stable compound called glucoraphanin sits completely isolated from an enzyme called Myrosinase. As long as the plant is whole, they never touch. They are locked in separate microscopic vaults. When an insect bites into the leaf, or when your chef's knife chops through the stem, those cell walls break. The compounds violently collide, creating a brand new, highly potent, sulfur-based master antioxidant called sulforaphane. This is what makes broccoli a superfood. It aggressively flushes out toxins, neutralizes free radicals, and drastically reduces cellular inflammation. The problem is that Myrosinase, the essential enzyme needed to create this superfood, is highly fragile. Heat instantly melts it. This is the fatal flaw in most kitchens. If you chop your broccoli and throw it straight into the pan, the enzyme dies before the collision can happen. The reaction stops entirely, and the sulforaphane is lost forever. Here's where science comes in. There are two ways to bring back the power. The first is the time protocol. Chop the broccoli and leave it completely untouched on your cutting board for 20 to 40 minutes. You are giving the crushed cells time to naturally synthesize the sulforaphane. Once the compound is fully created, it becomes heat stable. You can then roast, sear, or steam the vegetable without destroying its goodness. The second is the cheat code. If you do not have 40 minutes, you can recreate the dead reaction using a completely different ingredient from the same family: the mustard seed. Ground mustard powder, or whole mustard seeds tempered in hot oil, contain massive, highly stable reserves of that exact same myrosinase enzyme which is needed to create sulforaphane. So, you can cook your broccoli immediately, as aggressively as you want. Then, sprinkle half a teaspoon of ground mustard seed over the finished plate, or toss the florets in oil tempered with whole mustard seeds. The dormant enzyme in the mustard acts like a spark plug. It forcibly hacks into the cooked broccoli and instantly restarts the chemical reaction. Clinical food studies show that this simple trick increases your body's sulforaphane absorption by over 400%. So, you are not just cooking dinner, you are hacking cellular biology. Welcome to Eat Science.